In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add multiple domains to the Freshdesk integration in ByBrand. Adding multiple domains is useful for support agencies, managers, or large corporations that use multiple Freshdesk accounts. This feature saves time and increases efficiency in managing and implementing HTML signatures for support agents. So let's get started. Click to manage the integration. We already have one domain added, let's add two more. Click on the Add option and fill in the domain and API key. With all the organization's domains added, you can now set which one will be the default for updating the email signature individually for each agent. Next, import the list of agents to ByBrand. Note that our ByBrand account has 3 agents. Now in the next step, we'll update the signature individually for each one. In the Signatures list, click on Paste in Email, then on the Freshdesk integration. Select the agent and click the Update Signature button. In the second part of this tutorial, we'll show you that you can also import the list of support agents to a department. This way you can customize email signatures for each connected domain and keep things organized with different email markup settings for each Freshdesk installation. Navigate to the Department section and create a new department. Then import from Freshdesk by selecting the agent types. In the Signature section, you can set a signature template that all these agents will receive. I'll use a pre-created template, but note that each agent's personal information will be replaced by placeholders. Finally, to paste the signature, you can do it using 2 methods. One is by pasting individually, similar to the first step. Note that you need to set the default domain of the integration in this part. The second method is to use bulk update, and you also need to inform the default domain of the agents. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. See you next time.